here to do a Divine Masculine, Divine Feminine mutual energy check. Thank you for joining us, and if you're new or returning, welcome, welcome, welcome. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. It does help the channel grow, as well as helps me pick up on the energy. We already have some oracle cards coming out, so we'll jump right in. For masculine, we have vision, following his vision, Aphrodite, love, passion, vision of beauty, like he's seeing things, he's in the cycle of vision, maybe even trying to sharpen it, see better, see clearly. It's like on this vision isn't all the way solidified. It's still kind of see-through, transparent right now. It's not, solid. And then for mutual energy, we have forbidden. Forbidden being the energy of blocked off, near ending of things being forbidden. And then we have listening, actually listening to the change, listening for change. It's like it's seen, especially for masculine, warrior. Okay. Boom. We got fledgling that came out, but we have understanding, opening up, understanding, releasing, more translucent energy. Like the veil is thin, you can kind of see through it, of where you belong, where they belong. So let's talk about it. And I just looked at it. We have 7, 8, and 9. Vision. There's still some confusion, some illusions, some options and choices that we're sifting through. That's why it's not as confirmed or as solid. So let's see. Confused, 7 of Pentacles. Still kind of confused, patiently waiting for, some change, some growth, for things to come back on. 9 of Pentacles, being independent, stable, secure on his own. Have the Prince of Wands. The Prince of Wands. It's that go get it, ready to get in your face, take action energy. It's like following a passion, creative sparks, building towards happiness, getting the creative spark. So masculine may have gotten a creative spark as well on something to do, what to do, building towards his happiness, working on his happiness. So working and illuminating his happiness. Okay, so we have the Prince of Dis. That's the one still showing up, stable, comes in early, leaves late, showing up to the job, doing the job. May not be at a the top, you know, but working on it, you know, taking risks, being charging forward. A lot of, that's too many. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Missing the opportunity for connection. Okay. Taking a risk to make a romantic gesture. Let's see. Overall, it's stable. It's no king energy. He's not presenting anything, you know, on a more mature level. It's him still showing, and I keep saying him, her, however, you know, this fit it that way. The Prince of Disc is the dependable one. Rolling up his sleeves, putting in some work, taking a risk to, for long-term stability, to make that romantic gesture. Understanding. Oh. This understanding that coming together will be deceptive in some type of way. It's no point in coming together. It's like futile. The you know, celebrating is useless. Yeah. But she's also still showing up, putting on that, you know, that face, that first face, that greeting, loving face that you know, you present to the world, thinking about what your role is and what you do and how you show up. I think you're giving a kind energy, a stable energy, kind of like that trusted face, right? Being patient. Temperance. Yeah, trying to be patient. Rock star. That's a lot. Give me a sec. That is a lot. But look at it though. It's a lot. Reciprocating, offering a couple of, putting in some work to another level. Taking control. But with this Knight of Wands out here, rock star, kind of just being out there, just, and I don't mean pushing forward. Rock star as in like rock star, the limelight. People are taking notice of her. Fortitude, still pushing forward. That's what I'm saying. It's like the spotlight, as in a literal sense. Fortitude, Nine of Wands, pushing forward, moving forward, being triumphant, trying to be strong through a Tower moment. Resisting, holding back. That's why she's saying coming together would be no. Yeah. A disappointment caused a judgment to be made about completion coming together. So she's made a decision. She's starting to understand that coming together, yeah, she needs to speak up. The activist, she needs to take action. It's like, boom, turn things around for your own happiness, right? Understanding, Hierophant, lesson learned, hold back, and weigh your options here for your Ten of Cups. It's strategy. I'm getting, and it's just basically instinct as well, because sometimes you gotta know what you're looking at, what you're facing. Yep. Being strong through a tower moment for a fresh start and a new beginning. Yeah. Yeah, and then you could take action towards union, completion. It's like judgment, some type of judgment causes disappointment and some worry here about a new cycle getting started. All right, so forbidden, truce, out of truce, healing from some toxicity, things were moving fast movement, forbidden. Okay, yeah. Oh. But that both of you doing the same thing. So it's like, it's like red light, green light. So it's like she knows that it's not time. It's, patience, wait, just put on a smiling face. And then we still have that understanding here that coming back together is futile. Is what is useless. There's no point. It's not necessary. Just putting on a smiling face and being patient. Knight of Wands, the rock star. Doing her thing. Still pushing forward. Using strength, self-control, restraint. Masculine's trying to be independent and build his happiness. Confused. He's confused. Anyway, they're basically just trying to weigh their options here. That's what it's forbidden. That's why it's forbidden, because you both are weighing your options. You're following your intuitions here. Okay, wait. trying to come out of heartbreak, trying to repair what went wrong. It could go to some form of healing. Patient, wait, look at this. Waiting, being patient, having a higher understanding. About this connection, this relationship. It speaks to fulfilling your own happiness and then coming back together. It's taking care of yourself emotionally, being celebratory. It is also a selfish energy. And then we have those things to turn it around, right? A shift, a change. We're doing the work. We're looking at things closely now. Working on the conflicts. What's the problem here? Let's look closely at the problem. Yeah, that's going on in this relationship. It's just confirming everything hidden underneath. There we go. Take a closer look. Take a closer look at it. Yes, the hidden underneath, the blockages, the mental restraints. Okay, let's clarify real quick. Okay, 7 of Cups. What's the confusion? What are the options moving forward? What is he doing internally? Oh. Moving forward to reconciliation. Coming together. Yeah, patiently waiting. This new beginning. It's fresh start. Not wanting, he wants a fresh start. See? For things to, he doesn't want things over. That's what I'm saying. He's wanting to move forward, but coming together. Yes, wanting union and waiting. 4 of Wands, 3 of Wands, patiently waiting for the ships to come in, waiting for things to arrive at a distance, like looking at union. Well, he may be looking at the union as a distance, sitting back, relaxing independently. Ace of Swords. He is clear. New beginning in truth. It's like going within, going deep. It's getting things moving. See? Move faster in hermit mode. And it's 8 of Wands in the Hermit here. That's why. Okay, so he's inconsistent internally, in and out, having ego issues. He's building on that. It's like a work in progress. It's not complete. he may be even feeling like he has been that way. Because this is internal energy. And we got Knight of Wands, Five of Swords. So it's like the in and out inconsistency, the taking action, taking charge. Could be some ego here. Let me see about the sun. Clarify the sun then. The sun, he's happy. Then got a little spark there. Prince of Disc. Got the sideways. Still showing up. Okay. It's like he's showing up to it. He's not all in. He still has some fears and anxiety, which means he wants it. He doesn't want things to end. He's clear about it. He's sure. Taking a risk. What's the Prince? Okay. Yeah. Following his intuition and dropping some emotional baggage. It's walking away from ideas, beliefs, thoughts. And there's the Page of Wands again. Optimistic. The walking away emotionally, and just it's like he's taking a risk to do that. While feminine is actually an understanding that it's no, it's not going to happen right now. Be patient. And both are still showing up with this dependable, stable energy. It's the Prince and Princess of Disc, stability. Page of Wands. He may even be putting on some flirting energy, right? But then we have masculine internally optimistic of a turnaround, of a change, right? Knowing that things may turn around. What's the Three of Cups for feminine? I'm just trying to get inner balance. While they're at a crossroads, you're trying to hangman, getting that enlightenment. So it's like she's trying to balance herself out as far as which way to go. Because she has to know how she feels about this point. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes we have to make that on our emotional pulls or outcomes and logic, and some things we can't just pick to certain ways, but they always somehow kind of come back together. Do we separate? Do we go our separate ways? Yeah, there's still conflict here. That's why it's useless. It's too many people in this connection. Conflict within the connection. Abandon, going after their passions. Princess of Disc, real quick. Hold on. Judgment. That's too many. Yeah, she made a judgment, and she's still putting on a smiling face. Missed the opportunity. Yeah, do I take it? Do I miss the opportunity? That's the missed opportunity. At this point, I'm just going to show up and put on a smiling face. I'm not going to accepted, wasteful, temperance. Yes, while she is also building. And also reciprocating, keeping the balance. Masculine is I don't know that it's not really coming out. It's not translating properly in my head. I don't want to say it, and if it no, if I get it, I'll come back to it. Knight of Wands, yeah, in and out, inconsistent, back and forth, just doing her thing, right? Then we got Hanging Man, getting that enlightenment, getting clarity, understanding, looking at things different, being hopeful, wishful, doing some healing, fortitude, while she makes a decision. And manifesting. There you go. The strength, because the Hierophant, she has a lot of this is, it's 2 cards. Ooh. Being strong, holding back, have a higher understanding about the masculine, seems like. Maybe even a higher understanding of control, Emperor energy, the needing to step up and lead, that control, restraint, the Emperor status, the one who controls all. Okay, that's just boss energy. Just, it don't have to be that dramatic. What's the Tower moment? Going through the Tower moment to hold on and be patient. Hold back and be patient. These are both landing sideways. So it's kind of like she's trying to have to exert her energy here internally. Okay? We like to play strong, be strong, but to be internally strong is something deeper than any amount of weight or pressure one person can take. It's control of it, not letting it consume you and eat you whole. Ace of Pentacles. Okay, healing from there. Wanting a fresh start, having a fresh start, new beginning, but again, resisting, healing that toxic energy, doing some healing. Doing some healing. Okay, so yeah, you both are starting an internal new cycle. You guys' clocks are kind of on the same vibe, so when there is an observation, there's some healing needed, you guys kind of sync up just a little bit. He's scared and needing to walk away. He's following his intuition to walk away emotionally. He does not pull away to hurt, to be a menace. He does not do it it's in hopes of change. You get what I'm saying? It's that new spark of creativity, that walk to transform things, that walk away. Yeah, that Tower moment. or perceived tower moment. You know, the devil working on that, doing some more inner work and missing each other. Yeah. Eight of Wands, moving fast. That flipped. Things are moving fast. Okay, so you guys are wounded. The wounded warrior is still trying to go. You know what I'm saying? Still giving that valiant effort. He is near his last leg or breath or stand, but he is still up. Okay? To your Ten of Cups. For success and victory. Come on now. Alright, what's the Hermit? Guys are spending time alone. Attracting. Okay, so it's like you guys are kind of in limbo, independent, codependent, kind of, stable on your own, but it's not, without those emotional feelings, having those, sweetnesses to each other. Tower moment. Trying to resist a tower moment. Weighing options, heartbroken, disappointed. And these could be the disappointed, but there's growth, expansion here. Look at this. Look. Okay, so Empress, growth, expansion, expectancy, pregnancy, growth, about to give birth. Nurturing, taking care of somebody, taking care of self, taking care of those around, flourishing, and stability. This is King and Queen of Pentacles, all stability. So, what's the weighing of options looking like? Burden, carry the burdens, or Ten of Pentacles, long-term success. The burden of long-term success. So it's like knowing that you're working this hard for success. That's why it's forbidden. The vision is sharpening. You're understanding this, right? And then moving slow, just as friends, on a stable ground, stable footing, moving methodically. Planting seeds along the way. The Page of Pentacles is that one seed getting started on the journey, Carry that. It's a long way. It's a long way. To turn things around. To actually turn things around. Three of Wands. Yes, waiting. Feeling like you're each other's Ten of Cups. Having a higher understanding. Eight of Swords. Being stuck mentally. Being stuck mentally is causing tower moments. Look at that though. Hey, look at that. Okay. Collecting information, being a student. Blocking out deception. Being clear, open, fair. There's some nerves about the change, what you guys are giving birth to clarify the Lovers. The Moon. Hidden deep feelings. Impatiently waiting. There's secrets hidden, so a lot of unknown things, and I pulled that on the underlying deck. It's the Moon energy. It covers up things. It doesn't always shine as bright. You get what I'm saying? But I want to notice the contrast, though. I think masculine's confused. That's why we have the moon. He can't see quite clearly. Feminine has a clear understanding. She is opened up in understanding. So let's get some romance angels. Calling in your soulmate, your prayers, affirmation, and visualizations help bring you together. Passion, allow your heart and soul to sing with joy. And then we got finances and career. Financial issues are a factor in your love life right now. Boom. Three of Pentacles, building on finances, building on some type of stability, doing some work. Eight of Pentacles was somewhere here. Both of you guys are focusing on your finances. So, you want to do what you got to do, right? Work on what you got to work on. Go do some actual work. That's the Eight of Pentacles. Do the inner work. And the inner work starts with your external world first. Your home. Is your home up to date? Is this your living space up to date? Make sure that is together. And we got to keep everything going in a perfect, and I'm not saying perfect, but perfected balance, We have free yourself. It's time to take back control of your life. Religious factors, your love life is being influenced by your religious upbringing and spiritual path. Emperor out here twice on the board. Okay. That's the Emperor or Hierophant? Let your friends help you. Ask for and accept support from others. And that's that's pretty much a lot of enjoy yourself. There's other people outside of the relationship. There's other things to do outside of the relationship. Go do other things. Have a full, joyous life. Do your work. You need it all. It's a divine balance. Yep. Make the effort. Great love is worth taking the steps you're guided to take. And, it's her still putting on that smiling face, making the effort, putting on, and I get it, putting on the mask, but she knows there's some healing, some toxicity that needs to be healed, needing to resist. And it's also like she needs to heal as well internally, Some negativity inside of her. And we all can take a look in the mirror from time to time. Okay, we'll take two. Paying attention to the red flags, and it is safe for you to love. Open your heart to give and receive the highest energy of all. And then it says the signs are cautioning you. So it's the same. Like I said, you both are spending time alone, being independent, making, sweet back and forth, sweet messages back and forth, right? That's too many. Calling in your soulmate. Main female. So he's actually called feminine in his vision and sharpening. Passion. Aphrodite. And that is what I forget in mythology, but I'm not really able to name, but I think it's something with love, beauty, and femininity with when mentioned about Aphrodite. So passion, allow your heart and soul to sing with joy in the courtship. If you're courting someone, allow it, show it, right? And that's why he's taking that risk by walking away. He's maybe even seeing it, or just even taking that risk and coming in, putting on, you know, the smooth moves. But she's aware that it's deception. She's aware that it's deception right there. Finances and career, despair, poverty. What in the world? Okay. Despair, journey, poverty. This is abuse of loss of money, finances and careers affecting your love life, however that fits. There is a concern about that. Free yourself, that's a part of that. That's heavily feared over here. Look at this. Okay, free yourself. It's your official person. Be your official person. And I feel like that's being for your official self. Free yourself. Be yourself. Be what you want. Religious factors, judgment. Let your friends help you. Community, yeah. Let your community help you. Ask for support from those around. And just being around is enough. We get into emotional bouts with ourselves and our own insecurities of what somebody else is doing or how they're behaving is affecting us. We do have to understand that that's if that's weighing down on you that bad, how about let's see why it's weighing down on you. But again, that's putting it on somebody else and vice versa. We all do it. We all have a way of getting our stuff off. That's what I'm saying, carrying a heavy load, a lot of burdens. Let's see. Make the effort. Yes, lovers. Disconnection. Deception. Wearing a false mask. In a marriage. Okay, pay attention to the red flags. There was a message of concern about some toxicity. See, both mutual devil energy. We gotta show up for your official self. Why is this all? Great fortune. Safe for you to love. Time for change. Time for a change. Moving down the path, man. Let's keep moving. You know? Outgoing messages. But I also like the fact that, it was seen. She has an understanding about, what she sees, how she reacts, knowing how to maneuver, how to move, Okay, so it says, not showing true feelings, hide, personify, pretend, delude, gaslight. And then we have kisses, unconditionally loving, giving and receiving affection, falling in love. Yes, heartbroken, deeply hurt, sad, separation, breakup, feeling lost, grieving, mourning. We have despair, fears. We have pretty much some feelings out here on the board for masculine that could go that way, right? Then we got palm tree, stability, security, permanence, growth, endurance, flexibility. I feel like he's trying to be flexible in this situation. Keys on a ring, many options, decision, unconventional, string along, one night stand. So it's like maybe having many options on what to do, decisions to make, right? I don't know about the one night stand at this point. Possibly, but then that would make sense about this devil energy showing up for both. And some work and healing needing to be done. Okay. Yeah, runner chaser. Both of you showing up as runners and chasers. Chaser energy. Addiction. That may be to that runner chaser dynamic, huh? Yeah. Okay, so we got coffee cup, meeting and conversing, savoring the moment, feeling uplifted, friendship. That's what I'm saying. We have that friendship, that kind, childlike energy. We have these loyal, dependable, steady faces, Meeting, feeling up. Okay, friendship. The runner and codependent relationship, fear of intimacy, listening to ego. I was picking up that on masculine side, and one could say blockages. I don't want to say. I don't. Yeah, I'm getting more on this addiction card than anything. Blockages. I'm gonna just roll with it. The chasing codependent relationship, fear, intimacy. I'm sorry, fear of abandonment issue. I can see that. That's where you guys, there needs to be some healing about that, knowing that you won't be abandoned by each other. The hardest thing to get over is abandonment, because it's like, I've been neglected, or I've been forgotten, and I've been hurt, and I've been this, and I've been that. And each one of those are the swords. Sorry, it's from the water. Each one of those are from the swords that you're pulling out of your back, and just being, one way. Bear with me one moment. Sorry. Okay, sorry about that. We have addiction, codependent, obsession, possession, controlling, has block restraint. So they know that there's a block restraint outwardly, right? There's some toxic energy still on the surface, doing some inner work, missing each other, feeling those fond, sweet memories, hanging on to those past memories, right? Paradise, happiness, expansion, joy, playfulness, oneness, enjoying each other. So you are enjoying each other. There's some patience here required. Then it says clock, take time, need time, time and cycles, time to heal, progress. So, we're not to move forward. We got the passion, yes, insane chemistry, like each other equally, having fun. Dragonfly, didn't I say being lighthearted, that smiling face? Be lighthearted, finding out things, coming to light, adapt, change, heal. Yes, she's shifting. She understands the shift. She understands that she needs to have patience, hold back, resist. Soulmate, soul connection, partnership, agreement, soul contract, heart with a key, welcome in love, meet the one, open your heart, getting together, perfect. Oh, okay. Boom. each other. Self-image relationships reflect our wounds. Introspection, engagement ring, engagement, partnership, commitment, eternity, completion, union. Um, you know, that's where they're headed. So it's like, we gotta do what we gotta do. Getting clarity, truth, revelation, solidarity, force, honor, protection, power. Yeah, she's doing what she needs to do. She sees clearly. So basically, you guys are marrying each other in one way or another. It may not look the same, but it is definitely internally the same. You're doing exactly what you need to do, and then presenting that out. Sometimes on the outside, we have to put on that smiling face and take care of ourselves. Still, you have to respect the other person. You can't just walk away. That's that runner chaser energy. We can't keep that up. That's forbidden. So that's pretty much all I have for you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Subscribe, subscribe. Bye. See you guys tomorrow.